There are no apps out there that will make you a millionaire, but mastering these 3 habits will. When I was working as a private wealth banker, I had the opportunity to interview over 100 different millionaires myself. And over again, they told me that these 3 habits that we're going to discuss are what built their wealth. Habit number 1 is tracking where your money goes. I never spoke to a millionaire who told me that they just don't know where their money goes every month. If you don't track your money, you'll never know where your money goes. If you don't know where your money goes, then you'll always wonder where it went. Habit number 2 is what I like to call the weekly money date. So when I was talking to these millionaires, they told me that they always had a specific point during the week that they would check in with their spouse. And they never said that it had to be fancy. So these money dates, they don't have to be fancy. They just have to be regular. You can't skip it, but it has to be on a weekly basis. Now, if you're married, you have to be on the same page with your spouse, because spouses working in opposite directions will not build wealth as fast as if you're working on the same page and headed in the same direction. All the statistics out there say that spouses working on the same page, headed in the same direction, are able to pool resources and cut expenses, and therefore they're able to save and invest and build wealth up to 90% more than their counterparts. And habit number 3 is to set one financial goal and measure it. So the point of this is to measure your progress. It's not about perfection. It's about making progress in the area that you actually want to make progress in. The only way that you're going to know if you're making progress is by measuring it. So if you're someone who wants to build a higher net worth, then that's the calculator you're going to go off of. That's your financial goal, and you're going to measure it today, and then you're going to measure it again at a specific interval. Doesn't have to be weekly, doesn't have to be monthly. I would say make sure that you at least do it every quarter, maybe semi-annual. But make sure that you're measuring it so that way you can track your progress and make sure you're headed in the right direction. If you make these 3 habits non-negotiable, then that will be any app that's out there. Apps don't make you wealthy, your habits will.